Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 3 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 7 other screws and pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and loosen the screw. Remove the screw and lift the drive out of the system. Flip the drive over and remove the screw. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables. Lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system and reconnect the cables. Place the drive in the system and secure it with the 2 screws. Install the screw on the solid-state drive and flip it over. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 10 total screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.